And here from another angle, we notice the separated friendship. This one has been separated from its pack for several minutes now. Just minutes. And here we observe several arts. These animals tend to be working in groups, just like the friendships. Here we observe a lone errant snake. I told you. Here we observe several friendships. These animals are very sentient and like to act in groups. They have more group mindset compared to other kinds of animals found here in the digital gym jungle.